a ride, 16 coaches long. Train a ride, 16 coaches long. Well, that long black train got my baby and gone. Train, train.
Hey, what can I get you? I'm a sucker for a sidecar on a train.
Guys, this is not a subway car.
Oh, sorry about that.
Did you know at a Ukrainian wedding, the bride has to keep her shoes on? Because otherwise the guests will steal them and drink wine out of them. It's good luck.
Well, unless I missed a few stops, I'm pretty sure that we are not about to roll into Kiev. So, now I get to ask you the question that I ask everyone on here, but by the train.
You spent a lot of time in Europe, fell in love with train travel?
And this is Phoenix to LA. It isn't exactly the Orient Express.
Well, Phoenix is home and LA used to be home, so.
Somebody waiting for you there?
Yeah. He stopped waiting for me a long time ago.